Welcome to the Core Concepts podcast series. If you're here, you're probably preparing for the ISA Certified Arborist exam, and you already know how broad that exam is. Multiple domains, a lot of material, and not a lot of time. This series is designed to help with that exact problem. Each episode in this podcast focuses on one exam domain at a time, like tree biology, tree identification, soil management, pruning, tree risk, and safety. The goal is to give you a clear, structured overview of what each domain covers, and more importantly, how the exam looks at that material. These episodes are not deep dive lectures, they are CliffNotes-style summaries. Think of each episode as a guided walkthrough of a domain, highlighting the core concepts you're expected to recognize, how those concepts tend to show up in exam questions, the kind of thinking the exam is testing, and the types of answers the exam is really looking for. We focus less on memorizing isolated facts and more on helping you understand why the exam asks what it asks and how to apply foundational knowledge in scenario-based questions. Each episode is intentionally short and focused, so you can listen on a commute, between jobs, or while reviewing other study materials. These podcasts work best alongside your books, notes, and practice exams, not instead of them. They're meant to help you organize what you're studying, connect ideas across domains, and recognize patterns in exam questions. If you're looking for a full technical breakdown of every topic, this exam study series isn't that. However, the channel does include more in-depth podcasts and discussions that go deeper into specific topics, concepts, and real-world applications. If you want to expand your understanding beyond exam prep, I encourage you to explore the rest of the channel and dig into those longer form episodes. For exam preparation specifically, though, this series is built to give you a clear, exam-smart overview of each domain. My recommendation, listen to each exam study episode as you work through that domain. Then, if a topic stands out or needs more depth, explore the related long-form episodes on the channel to reinforce your understanding. As we move through the series, each episode builds on the last, because on the exam, everything connects back to the fundamentals, especially tree biology. If that sounds useful, subscribe or follow the series, explore the channel, and work through the domains with me one at a time. Thanks for listening to the Arborist podcast. Let's keep building your arborist knowledge one domain at a time.